guys, back with another video. It's been a long time, I have not made a video yet, I'm sorry. So we're gonna make a bass test of this Edifier subwoofer. The battle, you may check it out on our other channel, 2006YT, and because this thing only has bass, we're gonna put a treble maker, which is the TNJ. Just gonna see how deep the bass gets. Yep, sometimes it gets disconnected. Let me pause it for a second. Let me get it back again. There we go. By the way, these two are not playing with the subwoofer anything. Yep, disconnected again. Okay. Also moving.